Hi everyone. Today just a quick tip on how I manage my workload so that I can avoid being stressed. Let's look at my small mini board. So this is my mini board. I bought it from Amazon. You can check the link below if you are interested. It's actually for school. It has legs and I don't have to figure out how to make it stand, so I have big outcomes before my next SV meeting. So I need to restructure my literature review and I have to come up with questions to ask for my data collection. Alright, so to manage my workload, I come up with success criteria. These are the small steps that I am going to do to achieve the big outcome. So these are the big outcomes, but because my mini board is mini, so I couldn't put this criteria for both. So for this month I just put one, which is the biggest one. This will be done in just probably a week, so this should be no problem for me to catch up later. So what I focus on is on restructuring my literature review. So when we look at restructuring literature review, it's quite a daunting task. To avoid feeling stressed, I break it down into smaller steps, so I call them success criteria. If the success criteria means how do I know I'm successful, these are the steps for me to achieve the bigger outcome. I will start with completing my new structure. It means just the overview of the chapter. So I need to complete the new one to rearrange all some of the subtopics under each relevant section. After I've completed this, then I can move on to this. I break it down into a few headings. So headings 1 and 2, I'll do that in 1 week, and the next week I will do 3 and 4. I have 6 headings, so I will feel a sense of accomplishment every time I achieve each block. So I think that this is the way that I'm going to work from now on, managing my workload so that I can avoid stress, especially if the task is big and daunting, and sometimes our motivation level can drop just because of the nature of the big outcome. Yeah, so I hope this will be useful for you. You can do it whatever you like. Just break the big outcome into smaller steps for you to manage. If you find it helpful, just drop a comment of some feedback of how you are getting on with your study. And yeah, I'm still learning on how I can manage my time better and my workload better. It's good if we can exchange some ideas and feedback or tips. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.